Kick back this Christmas season with our cozy homeway essentials, from stylish lounge suites to quality sleep support. You'll find unbeatable deals on these home updates in our latest catalog until 26 December 2025. Don't miss out on the biggest savings of the season. Shop online or in-store at OK Furniture. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is the times.co.za. It's Bafana Bafana 2, Angola 1 in the African Cup of Nations. It's the opening fixture for Bafana Bafana. Not for the first time that we've played Angola in an opening fixture. It's 3 points and we move on to the next one. Suppose it's one door into the knockout stages. It means Bafana Bafana will play more than 3 matches. I'm not saying that mathematically. I'm saying it's a likelihood now, because all you need is like one more point. Then you're like almost safe if you think about the third best place, which is the worst case scenario, or you could win your group or become number 2. Egypt are playing against Zimbabwe tonight as well. Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Just
a TV superstar.
Catch me, justify on Mzansi Magic.
Lindo Pep. Yeah, they are Lindo Pep. Bulisa Bobzin.
Yes, sir.
Benedict Sofilagas. Eba Fitu and keep on supporting Tiski TV, fighting on one, try to fix South African football. I'm not think shy the men of the Yamizan, Los Umbogas.
What did they give there?
I'm so sure, but me nothing share.
You are man of the match.
Psychological, the boy beginning media circulation last week actually easy. Psychological being Fungumbon, which was like Taganjan, figure late in the Basama, flight, what the boy came there, Agazanga again. A show with classes permanent. Well done to the boy. Afconle. I know it is already signed. Afconle. One of the European team, 2 or 3, they're gonna track him wherever like corner. Less in stepping stone, yes, so signing already. USA, but there are teams that will look at that boy. Imagine that boy from at the back, like going there in the midfield to take that responsibility to for coach after shy target. How many shots am I target? I'm attackers were now today. Going to the game, approaching the game. I think a tournament. Nalama game or qualifying game, a friendly game is not the same. Sibena my expectation to certain players, especially Bafana Sipombule, Lomfano Ngota, also a police. I know he scored a police, but overall performance, I don't think he's done much coming to the game. First 10 minutes, Bafana, Bebanga sprays. I think we circulate the ball, and abantu mangabu circulate the ball, but to circulate a purpose uzobathola vele. We circulated the ball, Spasaka, these guys. Look defender from a center first 10 minutes, and we circulated the ball. Well done to, I think, first 10 minutes, Mda was doing very well going on the line. And also Opremdi by training there. But Lalibabi Tabul, Ngobaga right, I think as it was in Kota. Begangena Pagatum Kota and Mdao, Cholubai extra men. Well done, Gucci. I think first half, we did that. Sabafaka under pressure was actually cold. After that, these guys, it's in Kulmang afraid. In Kulmang defensive midfield, very comfortable. Decided game, Ayala's ball. Aguna the tournament, it doesn't matter to them. Polel and a very composed Ayasabam. Also, Nkaluk Chela Nangalumata. Nkaluk Boni star player, left back, Ngatu Marcelo. I'm talking about Langunya left footed, very technically good. Pelum Dao, first 10 minutes wins the but I'm checker. He can't defend. It's Lemchi taxi wing. I give me a wing back. Bega overloaded the side left. I think they deserve a goal because Tinabeses Dalia finished. I think we had about 11 players there finished, not even leaving as young as anyone up front there. And every time, I'm surprised we approach game on first 10 minutes with Lalegate. After that, they pumped the ball. Ufuna la diagonal behind the defense alabant angazwa bega pinika. Because mutu sipombulumbo on a game because there was no link. Certain positioning today, I think expose a coach. Number 1, I don't think there's combination between Umbogazi and Nongezan. That's number 1 for me and Ibonil. Once you get a proper team, you're going to have a problem. Yaya, Mkoen, I don't think there is a combination there. Also, Sipombule, Clyde Foster. mina ngibona there's questionable there kunama position engithe mangwabheka because la mangaba kuna link sikhuluma ngespine la there's no way you can dominate the game, there's no way you can say I will win the game. In today, yes, well done to individual players, well done to Ikolo Police who pick sports, but akasanga been a great game. Nkotha ile across kuphela nana than after that nothing. Sipombule udlale ngama moment, especially first half angeke angibonanga. He lost so many ball position, especially side in Bafana bengathi akusuye man. Always receive ball face ball lethu, I understand why, but I need to learn one thing. Maui football player udlala middle field, maybe arrogant on the ball. If you ball ulphethe usababan. Why is to get that guy? Always you want to play safe. Udlala ngathi center back. It's like to play a back pass. We are today. I think it was the weakest link for me. Mangpega. Coach why bekumele abe exposed la. Ngoba if I can be honest, if talent but between him choose between him and talent but I mean I'm choose talent but so game there was not being a balance because of lesos into lezo. This team bekumele ngabe leadile 2-0. I mean 2-1 first half. We had the corner kick la bachita. Well done to Ronan Williams. Free header there. Square boxes marker zonal. Well done to this guy. But none other than that, Bafana, I think one of the gaming and it's like it's not the best performance, but we won. We especially Zandla.
Were we better than Angola?
Second half, yes. Angola they came, they were defending. I think I can say team talk ya second half. Ibulale yonke into lentama tactics. I don't understand why I take out this guy Enzo. I'm talking about the striker. Keeping the number 9 lately Italy last ball. I know they put the striker sabolo mini hype anglandilana. Ugutu korre whatever go afcon korre focus.
I don't think it was about that substitution.
Yeah.
I think it was about what he decided to do.
Yeah, but that's my opinion anyway. Yeah,
but the way there's a fact and there's an opinion. The way you're calling a second half the coach. He gave South Africa the game. It has nothing to do with who he changed.
Yeah.
He told those players, I want only 3 players going forward to attack, and then 7 players must defend. And the more the game continued, and I kept on saying it to you guys there, that South Africa is going to score because he's inviting them. He could have left that number 9 there. If he by 3, without any support behind them, South Africa were always going to score.
Just put 2 strikers. Even the sub that
he was not thinking about. I think this coach gave that game away. He was not thinking about putting 2
strikers.
I
do agree with you.
He was not thinking about putting 2 strikers.
I do agree with you.
Because these guys had the upper hand. I'm not saying this because I want South Africa to lose. I don't want my country to lose. But I'm watching the game and I'm observing. I think those guys had the game good first half.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened at team talk. When you were saying he must put 2 strikers, and I was thinking he's not going to put 2 strikers because he's attacking by 3.
Yeah.
Defensive football, a counter. And the counter, but if you look at it, it never had support. They're going about by 3, and it's like, well, I pray that by 3, by 3, then by 7, they're going to defend for you. And the longer this went on with second half, I thought to myself, I wish number 1 South Africa scores, and I also wish by a loser now.
Yeah, going to the game, I think Noyugo Pros well done with Afagum Remy. Not much impact, but unfortunately, yes, there was an offside. Now I'm being it
no, it was a good decision.
But it was an offside.
Yeah.
If you are regular, not a corner. But now, moment better, especially better than Nkotha and also a police. Second, of course, Bamdalisa according to his strength. He's not a player who Aglanda 1v1. A 30 decision a combine. Abambi umuntu behind the defense. And Bamdalis all down Mbule bang passing you. And Begat Magatumbula 1-2. Now, second half much better from South Africa.
Sure.
Slavele Afiniabo. I think I'm going to push him a bit forward, and now Sipombule by pusher. But Sunday Lana Pamga Froster. That's why he even scored. I think Besidala, Besima Soliti, Lumchita Lo Froster. Nkurmanga first half. How many times he chased the ball? Always. It's not one of the playing in favor. I mean, Angzona Muntu receive of shield, a physical lead to Kanten, general number 9. This guy Enzo, very top notch striker, dynamic, skillful. He can create the chance out of nothing. We always good create the space. But I'm sure I wonder about winning the foul. So, Lomchi to Froster. Vele kuza function, you need ball players next to him. And the coach wants to push him there. Also, I'm going to go to Man, then since Rulan is left, is no longer the best. Is no longer one of the best for me. Yes, evergreen. I will say that.
Important for Bafana Bafana.
Yes, but if you can check the performance, the set piece the one that you watch, I'm going to shy target. the goalkeeper was going to save. Nenye into man I'm not too sure the body language. Angisho ukuthi umkona is very disciplined, dedicated espaneni sakhe. Umuntu o give all. But since Rolani left, phela khona lento ethi coach take out the best out of you. Is no longer like mina le engimazi the way ngimbone ngakhona. But none other than that, sometimes we played not the best performance for Bafana, but with tournament sometimes you win kanje. Ngoba tournament it's about the planning. And Hugo Bros yes some izandla, but to tell the truth, this team first half they gave us a serious problem, and nathi savuma ngoba ucoach mangimpeka, our coach priority yakhe is to defend. Angina problem njengamanje nje bazofaka ubas I don't understand ngibona really awumapa le yes ezusho nawo ngibonile mawuthi Relebohole Mfokeng might come
they wrote it bayibhalile kusho ukuthi iphepha basebelifakile for a substitute ka Mofokeng or they made a mistake but as soon as we scored then they put defensive substitution.
Yeah, the thing is I understand, yeah, sometimes you get away with this if there's equalizing because wenzani because umbuyisa futhi really doesn't make sense to me. Well done to the coach Mshali Zandla, well done to Abachita. I think they deserve to win, especially performance as second half. The Ngwenyale is very shut down. Ngwenyale na uba nuluvumbu. I think they
because you couldn't see him. This is what I was thinking. Second half, indlela abenika ngayo uMudiba problem. First half, he even get a yellow card kuMudiba.
Yeah.
This is where I saw that there was a problem with this coach.
Yeah.
And bekane partner yakho number 4 emva kwakhe. And they were doing a 2v1 kuMudiba. And then in the second half, he never did it once.
Yeah.
In the second half, and you could see that coach was telling them, "Don't attack. We're happy with 1-1."
Yeah, a good goal from the Mfana Frost asimshayile izandla.
Sure, that was.
Alishayile
like
goal
that.
umthithi urana.
Yeah.
Urana uline ile nto engihlale ngisho mawushaya target ukuze ushaya target lina. Ungalini up vele uzomista ukobile lo mfana washaya target. Azange ipala movie and well done to the guy. I mean, naye beyangana good game. But why repa njengalela goal? In the history my AFCON leqalile iscored a goal. Well done to Bafana Egypt sobukele Egypt neZimbabwe and sine point ezandleni zethu but bekuyi tough game mfethu.
Nice one. There you go. Bafana 3 points against Angola. We play Egypt in the next game on Friday, 5 p.m. Bafana, if they get a point there, even this 3 points almost guarantees you that you will play a knockout game. So 3 matches guaranteed in the group stages. Now they've secured a 4th match. It's just a matter of where are they going to end, number 1, number 2, or number 3 in the group. And that's it. That's how easy the AFCON has become. And of course, Nati, we've made ourselves very easy because we've won the first game. All we have to do now, make sure one of Angola or one of Egypt or Zimbabwe, we get points from them, 1 or 3 points from those games. It is Good Times. We're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.